In this video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Draw.io. So in order to collaborate right here, what we can do is we first need to head over to their website, which is drawio.com. You should be able to see in here this. As you can see, you can just enter right here a prompt, and also it requires no login or registration. So that's a really good thing to actually use on Draw.io. So for this, just proceed to describe your diagram and click on start. And in here is my actual diagram. So in order to collaborate, you can proceed to click on the share icon that we can see right here. Click on this. And as you can see, you need to save it first to your Google Drive before you can collaborate. So be sure to click onto this, save the Google Drive right here. Now click onto this authorize option. And then choose right here a Google account that you wish to add. I'll choose right here my first account. Just proceed to choose right there. Scroll down and click on continue. Scroll down again and click on continue and make sure to give access to this as well. Now, as you can see, this will reload our actual diagram, and then this will actually authorize Google Drive for this. As you can see, this will ask for the folder that you want. You can use a root folder or pick a folder from your actual Google Drive. In my case, let's head over and then pick a folder. Choose right here where you want it added. I'll add it to this folder and click on select. Then after that, this will be added or backed up using Google Drive. Now, once you have done this, this will open the actual sharing or collaboration event wherein you can choose right here the people that you want to share it with. Just type right here their name and they will be added. Then click on the send and notify them. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.